Students, today we are going to learn how to draw an abstract drawing. In this, we are taking a topic of a tree. What is abstract drawing? This I will tell you in this video. So let's begin. First, I have drawn a margin of 1 centimeter from all the sides. I am writing today's topic, that is abstract drawing -tree. Then I will write today's date at the top left corner of the page. Then we will start beginning with our topic, that is drawing a tree. I am drawing a straight line, and now I will make a random curves like this. I have drawn a curve like this. Now I am making curves inside it. You can go in any direction. It is not necessary the way I am making the curves, you have to draw the same. You can draw your own curves in any direction and fill the whole curve inside this like this. You have to draw the curves closer to each other and make sure the lines which you are drawing inside this should not stick to each other. Similarly, we will repeat the same on the other side also. You can make first big curves like this and fill the inner area the way I am showing in this video. Your line should be straight or in a curve. It should not stick to each other. And here we completed with our first tree. Now the other tree. I am making a straight line like this. Now we'll make a dot and lines like this. The tip will be a filled dot and a line. Now what is abstract drawing? Abstract drawing is something which you see from your own vision. How you feel that object, how you look over it is abstract drawing. In abstract drawing, we make the object. Here we are taking a tree. We will draw the tree like this in design or in any pattern. But the outline of it or the feeling of that object should look like a tree. You can make your own patterns like this also. And here we completed our second tree. Now for the next one, I am drawing a straight line like this. Then I am drawing a oval shape pattern with a curve like this. Now we will fill the inner area of this with the curved lines closer to each other with some gaps in between. Here we are not using any tools like scale or any other thing. Here we are doing it in freehand. Now for the next tree, I am drawing a straight line, and here I will draw random lines like this closer to each other and make sure it is not touching to each other. It is going in the opposite directions like this. Then we will fill the inner area again with drawing some lines inside between two lines. And here we have completed this tree, and now we are doing the next tree. Here, like previous, we are drawing random curves like this. It will be like the first tree, but we have not drawn the outline. Only we are doing the inner part of the first tree. Just draw random curves in any direction, fill it nicely and make sure they are not touching to each other. Similarly, we are doing at the other side of the tree. Like this we will complete the entire tree. Now for the next tree, I am drawing a thick stem like this. We will fill the inner area of the stem, and now like the second tree, I am just drawing the leaves with a top with filled circle and the lines, and drawing branches to it. You can go in any direction and make this. Here we have completed this tree like this. Now for the next drawing, we are making a curved stem like this, having some curves and drawing some leaves. It can be in any direction. You can draw very nice curves for the branch also. Just draw leaves, and here we completed this tree. Now for the next tree I am drawing an oval pattern like this, and just drawing lines with circle dots in between. So this is abstract drawing, where we are drawing tree in a different patterns like this and keeping the outline seem like a tree. Fill the inner area like this with keeping some gaps in between. And here we have completed our abstract drawing. Here we have learned how to draw an abstract drawing. So in the next class we will learn how to color this. Till then, draw and practice this abstract drawing in your drawing book.